Let's make a disgorger or simply a hook removing tool. We will need a toothbrush and a little time for a few easy steps. Removing the toothbrush head, making a groove with a file, and drilling a hole for a string. First, let's remove the brushing part. Now let's make the groove that looks like this. The easiest way is to use a triangular file. Now let's round the edges so the tool doesn't hurt the fish. Here's how the groove should look. The next step is optional. But if we put the hook remover on a string, we can keep it on the neck so it's always handy. That's how the tool works. Push the hook in the opposite way it came in and it should pop out. That's all for this project. Subscribe for more.